Hi, this is Seb, flying my Nazgul Evoque in a park for the first time. This is my maiden flight, and before I got to this point, I spent nearly a week preparing, activating the drone, Googling setups, and fine-tuning Betaflight settings like GPS, Failsafe, and flight mode. I wanted to be sure everything was configured and working correctly before heading out. This is a completely new experience compared to the Avata 2, which is much more autonomous and packed with safety features. With the Nazgul, everything had to be manually set up and understood before takeoff. It's been a great learning experience, especially setting up the OSD, which you can see now through my goggles. This is just a test flight. No flips or rolls this time. I only had 2 batteries, and the weather wasn't ideal for flying. As a tip, I lowered the throttle to 60% since this drone is incredibly powerful, and today's goal was simply to test landings. I had a couple of crashes, but nothing serious, just some grass stuck on the drone. In my next flights, I'll test the GPS rescue failsafe and push the drone more aggressively to explore its full potential. Thanks for watching, and I'll share more soon.